I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the Morning Market Minute for Thursday, October 16th. Soybeans were modestly higher in overnight business, supported by solid domestic demand. That showed up in Wednesday's NOPA member crush numbers for September, which were record large. There's also still at least a little bit of cautious optimism about trade talks between the United States and China, which are still scheduled for October 31st. And soybeans continue to keep an eye on U.S. harvest conditions and planting weather in South America. Corn is very narrowly mixed, consolidating ahead of the U.S. Energy Information Administration's weekly ethanol numbers, which were delayed by Monday's federal holiday. Consolidation really just seems to be the big factor there right now, as corn also watches the U.S. harvest activity and planting conditions in Argentina and Brazil. Meanwhile, wheat is grinding lower, seeing a little bit of profit taking along with pressure from rising global supplies. U.S. winter wheat planting conditions generally look favorable. Even if there is some rainfall near term in parts of the Midwest and Plains, that's beneficial for soil moisture recharge. Live and feeder cattle, when trade resumes on Thursday, we'll continue to wait for widespread direct cash cattle business to get underway. Have only seen a handful of trades so far this week. Asking price should be refreshed around $240 plus on the live basis. Box beef did close mixed on Wednesday afternoon. And as for the hogs, they will more than likely see at least a little bit of pressure from Wednesday's sharply lower close in the pork carcass cutout value. Also, it looks like most buyers have the needed near-term numbers in hand. That could put some pressure on cash. With the Morning Market Minute for Thursday, October 16th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.